Hi, do you really want to burn belly fat while asleep? Tonight, I will show you a simple but powerful juice made with grapefruit, lemon, lime, and ginger. This drink is very good, best before bedtime, and let your body do the fat burning while you are at the rest. Let's get started. The ingredients are some grapefruit, some ginger, some lime, and some lemon. As simple as this. Then I added just an apple, just because I had that apple at home. It's not necessary, but the ingredients are just the grapefruit, ginger, lemon, and lime. So let's dive into the health benefits of all the ingredients that we'll be prepping for this particular recipe. So we'll start off with the grapefruit. Grapefruits are high in antioxidants and vitamin C and supports metabolism, and may also reduce insulin resistance and promotes fat burning. And these grapefruits are also very necessary for women to regulate and balance your hormones and help with proper hormone production and regulation. So now we go to the lemon. Lemon cleanses the liver, reduces bloating, and supports digestion and helps balance hormones. So if you're worried about how you wake up or you are always bloated when you wake up in the morning, then this is definitely a remedy for you, because lemon is very good in reducing bloating. And now we dive deep to the lime. Lime is packed with vitamin C, boosts immunity and supports healthy digestion and helps reduce fat storage. Did you hear that? All the ingredients listed are very good in fat burning. So combining all of these 4 ingredients is a game changer. So we'll dive into the ginger. Ginger speeds metabolism, reduces appetite, fights inflammation, and improves digestion. Which means if you drink this glass in the evening, you are automatically reducing your ability to snack, to do late night snacking. Instead of taking late night snacks, this drink will automatically curb your appetite. And if you're someone who stays up late in the evening, maybe you're at work or because of some other motherly duties or parental duties, then this is definitely a good remedy to curb your appetite and also help you burn fat while you are asleep. But remember that you have to eat in control, especially in the evening hours. You don't expect to load a bowl of fufu or some McDonald's fries and stuff like that in the evening and drink this and expect to see results. You are also encouraged to eat in portion control, and also think about the quantity you eat, especially in the evening, if you are not someone who is very active, because your lifestyle automatically determines how you should eat. So these are the ingredients that you'll be using for this particular recipe to burn belly fat while you are asleep. Now guys, we have actually prepped all our ingredients, and we'll have to assemble them now into the blender and blend that to a smooth paste, and then extract the juice. This is the apple I mentioned. I had this apple in the fridge, so I just added it to the recipe because grapefruits have this tendency of bitterness and stuff like that. So adding that one apple actually helped to reduce the bitter taste from the grapes. But the bitter it is, the better it is for the stomach, right? So stuff everything into your blender or whatsoever you're going to be juicing the juices. If you have a juicer, that's fine. I used the blender because I wanted more water content, so I will definitely take it gradually. And this you can take it gradually for so many days. The more it ferments, the better and the most effective it is for the evening. Remember, fermented foods is packed with goodness, is packed with stuff that is good, with probiotics that is good for your stomach. And meanwhile you're drinking it in the evening while you sleep is also very, very good. And that is the reason why this is recommended towards the evening. And you can actually take it in the morning as well to curb appetite, to reduce the ability to eat too much. So if you are having the ability to crave so much sweet things in the evening or in the mornings, then you can actually take it. But this I recommend just in the evening, and you'll come back and thank me later. So we have juiced the first part. I juiced this twice, and the first one I have to squeeze this goodness out of it. You have to really apply those hand muscles of yours, if you know what I mean, to squeeze all the juices out. And then you see this golden color, it is gold for your health. I mean, this color is gold for your health. Your liver will be so amazed, your gut in general will be so amazed, and your heart, your body, your hormones. I mean, if you're fighting with PCOS, then this one is definitely a good remedy for you, because PCOS is when your hormones are all over the place, that overproductive, and then this causes the ovaries not to produce or release the matured egg every month, and this can cause a lot of disruption. Not just the ovaries, every other body system is controlled basically by hormones. Human beings are controlled by hormones, basically the entire system. So if your hormones are overly produced or underly produced, then this is what will happen to your body. So we're squeezing the last part of it, and I actually reserve the peelings of the grapefruit and the lemon and lime. I will be using that to extract and make some good tea. I made that video on my live video. So if you want to know the ingredients I added to make that juicy tea, then you can go ahead and watch the live video on this channel. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? You have watched up to this moment. I mean, hit the subscribe button, like this video, share your comments, share your thoughts, and we'll see in our next video. So we have mixed everything all together. You see that golden texture, that golden mixture, that golden color. It is a game changer for your health. This orange is perfect, and the grapefruit is what gives this color that is so golden and so useful for the body. Grapefruits are very good for every human being, especially for women with hormonal problems. So I'll be using these jars. I will store this up in my freezer, and I will be taking a glass every evening, and that's it. That's just as simple as it is. And before you drink, you shake that well, because the ginger will settle right under the bottles. Shake it very well before you drink. So if you have watched this video up to this moment, please don't forget to like, comment, share this video to as many people as possible. And then I'll say thanks for watching. See you in my next video.